do the cinnamon challenge, and if you hear these little deep 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 deeps, it's raining right now, and it's sunny. I'll show you the rain. Well, you don't think I'm crazy, which I partially am, but I don't want you to think it. You probably can't see it. Let's see if you can see it over there. See? Right here you can see it better. Let's see. If there's any like real place you can see it. See, look, it's getting like all over the steps. It's really pretty because you see how bright it is, and then it's raining. Yeah, that's freaking awesome, man. Yeah, it's raining and it's sunny, so that's unique. So anyways, back to the cinnamon challenge. I don't know if I made a picture, sorry. Doesn't even look like it could be raining. This guy's freaking bored. Oh well. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do a cinnamon challenge. Spoon, cinnamon, water, bone. Okay. It's cold. Okay, so, oh. No. What? Rex? What's wrong, big boy? What's wrong?
My puppy. You're my puppy, huh?
Wait, so, cinnamon. Sorry, I always do that because, like, little parts on top of me. You getting it come out or what? Stay on the spoon. There we go. It's nice and even. So, buff it a little bit. Okay. So, cinnamon. I need a little bit more, I think. I would drop half of that right now. There we go. Okay, so cinnamon. Now you can see. Look at that out a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna go. So, oh. It all grows right off of it. Oh, goofy. So, I did it. Not sexiness, right? Mm-mm. Um, it only burns for like a minute while it's like getting all soggy. Oh my god, is that a scratch or an eyelash? It's an eyelash. I would get an eyelash on camera and think it's a scratch. Wow. Really? Okay, so that's my puppy Rex, by the way. That's Rex. Bucky Bucky, and that's the other one, Oreo, down there. It stopped raining, and those are her orange trees. Yeah, it stopped raining a little bit. Oh wait, no, it's still going. You probably can't see that because the sun's like right there. Is it coming from this way? Oh well. So, that was my cinnamon challenge. It was very disgusting. So, bye.